Welcome to our 5-day course on hip replacement safe exercises. In this class, we are going to go through a series of progressive yet gentle exercises designed to be very safe for your hip replacement while still improving the fitness and function of your lower body. My name is Dr. Benjamin Stevens, and I will be your instructor. I've been a chiropractor for over a decade and a personal trainer for over 20 years. My job has always been to help people like you maintain or improve their fitness while living pain-free. When you are done this course, you will have a stronger and more functional lower body without increasing the risk on your hip replacement. You should feel a little bit more fit and like you have a better understanding of some exercises you can do on your own time. This is a 5-day course designed to be performed in 20 minutes or less per day from the comfort of your own home with a little bit of minimal equipment. On each of the 5 days of this course, you will simply follow along with me while you do the exercises. First, I will instruct you on the exercise, tell you a little bit about it, and demonstrate it. Then I will do the exercise, and all you have to do is follow along while I do it, doing the exact same thing. This class is perfect for you if you've had a hip replacement, but you're a little bit weary and unsure exactly about what to do and how to exercise safely, but you want to return to your previous levels of fitness. If this sounds like you and you're ready to get started, sign up today and I'll see you in the course.